Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name, your email address, phone number, and password that's connected to your Audible account. So, if this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. Let's get into it. So, I'm actually logged into my Audible account on Google Chrome, and go up here to the Hi and then your first name section. That's your account section. Go to account details and then go down to update settings. And from here, we can actually see all of our Audible and Amazon information that's connected to my account. On the right-hand side, there's an edit button. Click in there. From there, you'll probably have to type in your email and password to get access to this page right here. But when you do, this is login security for Audible. And basically, I can press the edit button and come in and change my name and then press save changes. And you can also do this for exactly the same for your email address, your phone number, and your password. And after you're happy with everything, come down and press done, and that's going to take you back to the Audible page. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.